Friends, Namaskar. This lecture entitled Decision Control Statements in Shell Programming is created under the Department of Information Technology, Engineering College Jhalawar, Rajasthan. Today, in this lecture, I shall explain you about relational operator in shell programming. Then, we will learn about decision control statement in shell programming and the types of decision control statements in shell programming. Among these, we will learn about two decision control statement, that is if then file statement and if then else file statement, and we will use them in a shell script. So we know that in any computer programming language, relational operators are used to find the relation between two variables, or we can say that we use relational operators to compare numeric values. Here comparing is in term of greater than or less than or equal to or not equal to or greater than equal to or less than equal to. So in shell programming we write minus eq for equal to, minus ne for not equal to, minus gt for greater than, minus lt for less than, minus ge for greater than or equal to, and minus le for less than equal to. For example, if we have to write 10 is greater than 7, then we will write 10 minus gt 7 in shell programming. Now, my friends, as you know that in any computer programming language, decision control statements helps us to make a decision based on certain condition. So, there are following type of decision control statements in shell programming. First is if then file statement. Second is if then else file statement. Third is if then elif then else file statement, which we can say else if ladder. Fourth is nested if else statement, and fifth is switch statement. So one by one we will learn these decision control statements. So let us start to learn about if then file statement. So its general format is if big bracket start expression big bracket close, then shell statements to be executed if expression is true. 5. Just reverse of if, used for ending the if statement. For better understanding this, let us take a programming example. Here we will take two numbers from the user and we will check that numbers are equal to by if statements. So in the first line we display the message for taking two numbers through echo commands, and in the second line we will take two numbers as input through read command. Now let us see the third line, in which I have written if space big bracket start space $a space minus eq space $b space big bracket close. Here in this expression, two variables, that is $a and $b, are compared by minus eq relational operator for checking that are they equal. Now if this expression is true, then the shell statement in if block will be executed, otherwise it will be ignored. That is, in this program, if the expression is true, then fifth line, that is echo message, will be printed, otherwise it will be ignored. In fourth line we wrote then keyword, which is fixed, as you can see in general format of if then file statement. In the sixth line we wrote file keyword, which is fixed as in general format for ending the if statement. In seventh line we just print end the script message through echo code. Here we can see the output of this program. We have taken two numbers, that is 10 and 10, from the user, and since they both are equals, so expression of if statements get true and the message of numbers are equal got printed. You can also type and run this program at your desktop or laptop, and you can check the output of this program by giving same number and different numbers as input. Now we will learn second type of decision control statement, that is if then else while statement, whose general format is if big bracket start expression big bracket close, then shall statements to be executed if expression is true, else shall statements to be executed if expression is false. 5. For better understanding this, let us take a programming example. Here we will take two numbers from the user and we will check that numbers are equal to or not equal to by if then else while statement. So in the first line we display the message for taking two numbers through echo command, and in second line we will take two numbers as input through read command. Now in the third line I have written the expression, that is $a minus eq $b. So if the values of both variable a and b are same or equal, then condition goes true and if block will be run, otherwise else block will be run. And we will end this script through echo message. Here we can see the output of this program. We have taken two numbers, that is 10 and 10, from the user, and since they both are equals, so expression of if statement gets true and the message of numbers are equal got printed. If we again run the program and take two different numbers, that is 10 and 20, from the user, and since they both are unequal, so expression of if statement get false, so statement of else block will be printed, which is numbers are not equal. You can also type and run this program at your desktop or laptop, and you can check the output of this program. So in this lecture you learn about relational operators in shell programming, decision control statement and their types in shell programming, as well as we learn to use if then while statement and if then else while statement in shell programming. And in the next lecture I will explain you regarding how to use else if ladder and nested if else statement in shell programming. Thank you.